3 minutes. Clear. 3 minutes. Start. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, that's a good one. It looks like it killed the microwave. Oh, maybe not. It's running. It's running. Or it could be off. Looks like it's off. Oh well, that ended that. Oh, it's running. I think it shut off. Oh well, that might have finished off the whitened the screen, and oh my goodness. Yep, so this is a 2-camera event here. So yep, dead microwave. So I got to unplug it and probably wait a couple days. Oh my goodness. Looks like not everything ignited by the looks here. Wow, not everything. So those 2 fountains right there, there's one there and there that didn't ignite. Oh well. Yep. Now for this one here. Hopefully that's the last one. Alright, I think that's it. Okay, I plugged it in here and it looks like it's a dead microwave. Dead, dead, dead. Yep, totally dead. And yep, can't do anything with it, so there it is, a dead microwave.